with Troy Armstrong, and they're getting ready to shoot out the fireworks, so a quick interview here. So big day in Bunker Hill. What can you tell me about it?
We started off this morning with a pancake breakfast that the volunteer fire department put on, which I think they made a lot of money on that. Then we had a parade with 19 teams that built their own floats, and we had some show cars, and we had fire trucks, and the McConaughey Marching Band was in there, and a few others. The Methodist Church had a float, and that was a great success because it didn't rain. And then we had baseball games all afternoon. We had two T-ball games. We had a Farm League championship game. We had two minor league championship games because the team that got in hadn't been beat yet. It was double elimination. And then we had a major league championship. Now we just did awards, and now we're going to shoot off the fireworks.
So the awards, you just kind of give out the championship awards. You give the graduation awards to the next level of league play. Is that right?
No, it's a mental attitude award, and a Nelson Philippi is that award, and the Willie Burnell is the outstanding athlete.
And then the last year,
we give away 12-year-old trophies.
Yeah, 12-year-old trophies.
12-year-olds.
Okay,
Yes.
And then it ends up with the big old fireworks.
Yes.
A lot of people here.
Getting ready to pop them off.
Yeah.
Right,
so how many years has this been going on? A long time.
The Little League's been in existence since 1959.
And the Saturday parade and everything?
Now, I'm not really sure when that started. That was probably in the 70s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big tradition here.
Yes.
A lot of people down here.
A lot of people.
I bet you had a long day.
Yes, I have.
All right. Well, thank you for your time.
Hey, no problem.
Play something. You know, just,